Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shortened profile link for your LinkedIn profile. I'll give you the examples. This is me. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn page, and I am Alan-Dixon 808. Sounds very good. I'm happy with that. I'm pretty sure if I clicked on yours though, it'll be something like Sarah Smith 8179284848793221, which is not so catchy. So the way to do this, first off, on LinkedIn, go to your profile. So it goes to me, or at the top right there. So click on your picture, then go to view profile. So it'll be in this page. Then top right, you have public profile and URL. Click on the little pencil icon there. It opens up a new page, which will look very similar. By the way, my one's in dark because I've got LinkedIn in dark mode, just to make you aware. Anyway, it's now come to this page, which is for some reason in light mode. But anyway, it is what it is. At the top here, we have edit your custom URL. So this is my one, Alan-Dixon 808. Click on the little pencil icon and you can make the change in there and simply make the change to whatever you want it to be. Yeah, so it could be 123. I'll leave it as 808. And then once you've done it, click save. Now you could change that to something else. It doesn't have to be your name. It could be whatever you want it to be. And I'm sure LinkedIn will let you know if it's a problem. But once you've made the change, click save. Once you've done that, you can then use that URL on links maybe from your CV or something else. So this was what my original one was, Alan-Dixon 62A85062, which is not quite as catchy as Alan-Dixon 808. You then want to share this simply in your profile, click on the address bar, Control-C, Control-V to wherever you need it to be, and that's how you share your LinkedIn profile with the new shortened URL. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.